Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to change language on Discord mobile app. So if you also want to change language on Discord mobile app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord mobile application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Discord application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find three options over here: home, notifications and you. All you have to do is tap on the you icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to see your profile. You can also edit your profile from here. If you want to change the language, all you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. This will lead you to settings. Over here you'll be able to find several settings options. You'll be able to find the account settings. Over here you'll be able to find the option for Get Nitro, Account, Privacy and Safety, Family Center, etc. Scroll down. Here you'll be able to find the option for App Settings. Over here you'll be able to find the options like Voice, Appearance, Accessibility, Language, Chat, Web Browser, etc. If you want to change the language, simply tap on the language option that you can see at fourth. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the language interface. From here you'll be able to change the language. You can see over here right now English is selected. You can see several other options over here. What you have to do is simply tap on the language of your choice. Now simply go back. Now you can see over here your language has been changed. So that is how you change language on Discord mobile app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.